Imagine unlocking the artistry of classical piano, guided by master teachers from one of London's most prestigious music schools, without leaving the comfort of your home in Dubai. At WKMT London, we bring the sophistication and excellence of our Kensington-based piano school directly to you through our online lessons. Perfected over a decade, our teaching method ensures an experience as immersive and effective as if you were with us in person. Our lessons are rooted in the world-renowned Scaramuzza Technique, favored by legends like Martha Argerich and Daniel Barenboim. This proven approach enhances your technique, expression, and musical understanding, transforming every note into art. Whether you're a beginner, an advanced pianist, or a parent seeking the finest musical education for your child, WKMT's online lessons are tailored to your goals. Delivered one-on-one by highly qualified instructors, our lessons cater to the discerning tastes of Dubai's most accomplished families. Our innovative platform replicates the full London experience online. With HD audio and video, detailed feedback, and real-time interaction, you'll feel like you're right here in our Kensington studio. Enjoy unparalleled flexibility. Our lessons fit seamlessly into your lifestyle, accommodating even the busiest schedules. Join an elite community of students who have discovered their potential with WKMT. Many of our alumni have gone on to achieve international acclaim, all starting with the foundation we built together. From London's musical heart to your home in Dubai, we invite you to experience the difference with WKMT. Redefine your musical journey with lessons designed for excellence, passion, and results. Schedule your first lesson today. Visit www.wkmt.co.uk or contact us directly to start your musical journey. UKMT London, where passion meets precision.